So we're here at the ISSA show in Chicago, and within the cleaning industry, we meet great people. And I just happened to meet Mark Baker from Newfoundland.
Hey, hi Gavin. Hi everybody. So I just ran into Gavin. He's like a celebrity to me because I've been watching his courses for a while, and he did something really great, and his team did something really great during the pandemic that was really saved my company from going bankrupt, to be honest. So essentially what happened was that the Canadian government put some pretty heavy mandates down, and then the provincial government, where I was located at the time in Newfoundland, we're a national company now, but at that time we were just in Newfoundland, they shut us down for like about 11 months. So we had zero revenue. And we had just kind of attempted a national expansion and put everything we had into it. So we were really low on those retained earnings. Anyhow, so what ended up happening was that Gavin and his team put together a really fantastic course called Cleaning and Disinfecting for the Coronavirus. So what I was able to do was I was able to basically, like thanks to you guys, I was able to basically contact the health minister's team. And it was hard work, but I eventually got through to them and they listened. But when I finally got their ear, I was able to explain that I was actually certified by the Global Biorisk Advisory Council. And then I explained what GBAC was, and like I noticed some of the people you work with, and that was like instant credibility for me.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So like they knew they would listen. And sometimes as a residential company, you don't get that same credibility you might get if you were a larger, say, commercial or institutional type cleaning company.
Yeah.
So because I had GBAC certification, I had instant credibility. But I had real life knowledge too. Like it wasn't just a rubber stamp. He taught me a lot of stuff, and he delivered it in a way that I found that I could consume. That was the best part of it, because obviously Gavin's highly educated and the science behind what he does is very detailed. But he was able to like put it into a way for me that I could consume it and also get it to my team. So I just explained to them that I'm actually certified for cleaning and disinfecting for the coronavirus. And through some conversations, we were really quickly able to add house cleaning to the list of services that were essential, and basically my company opened back up and we started to recover from the pandemic. Another thing too, at that time I think we had about 800 residential customers in our area, and I was able to make a video. I was able to tell them that I understand how hard this must be and how worried they are about having us come in their house. But I could explain I was certified by the Global Biorisk Advisory Council. Even the name does sound pretty cool, right? So by explaining that to them and explaining about the certification I had and obviously gave to our people, that gave them the confidence in us that we could go in their house.
Yeah.
And they weren't going to get sick and die because of us. We're actually going to help them. Hopefully the opposite happened when all the COVID things were happening. So anyways, I want to say thanks. I really appreciate it. I don't know if you realize like the work you do is like saved my family from losing our business.
Thanks, Mark. Again, we're here to help in any way we can.
Yeah, I appreciate it very much. It was a great course and it really helped me.
Appreciate what you do every day. Thank you.